If you find yourself in the B2B marketing space, it will come as no surprise to you when I say that the B2B marketing cycle is slow. So from the point of initial contact with your potential lead, you're looking at a typical timeline of about 3 months before they decide whether or not they're going to buy. So that's why in 2019, it's so important to be able to reach your audience at scale. And how are people doing that? They're doing that through video especially. Late last year, LinkedIn conducted a study to learn a little bit more about where B2B marketers are finding success. And 78% of them agreed that video is helping them identify more high quality leads, and 57% of them are saying that they're actually generating more leads by using video. So here's a few ways that you can start using video in your B2B marketing campaigns. One unique way that brands can start to connect with their audiences more through video is by storytelling. During this long B2B sales cycle, what you're going to want to be doing is trying to build a relationship, a rapport, and a level of trust with your potential client. Storytelling has been an integral part of our communication as humans for as long as we've existed. By creating an anecdotal association between your brand and what it stands for, you have a much better chance of leaving a lasting impression, a unique lasting impression on your potential client. Another way we can use video to enhance the process of landing a new client or generating new leads is through explainer videos. Now, these are not groundbreaking by any means, but the way that we use them and where we distribute them is. So a very common digital marketing strategy is to attract a potential client through digital content. Maybe it's a free giveaway, or want to learn more, sign up for my newsletter, and we take them to a landing page. Now on this landing page, this is an excellent spot to put your explainer video. In fact, 81% of B2B buyers said that video helped them make their buying decision. So in this explainer video, it's important to get creative. We've all seen the boring yawn about us videos, but now what we're seeing is brands that are showcasing their unique personalities through this video, and of course showing what type of value they can bring to the client. Another very powerful way we can use video to connect with our potential clients is by using testimonial videos. So a testimonial video is essentially just that. It's getting a testimonial from someone who uses your product or service and showcase how it has helped them in a real life situation. So rather than you constantly patting yourself on the back for saying that you're the best at X, Y, or Z, you can showcase in real time, in real life, how one of your clients has benefited. And this can be extremely powerful at any point of the sales cycle.